Here is the app called Relive. Run, ride, hike, and walk GPS running and activity tracker. It's pretty amazing app actually. It's in the top charts right now in health and fitness. I don't know when it was released. Seems it has a nice history, but the latest updates are pretty cool. So yeah, this is the app. Create stories of your activities. See what your friends are up to. 3D videos of your outdoor activities. Add photos, videos, and notes. Track your run, ride, hike, and more. If you like to go out for a run, ride, hike, or an adventure outside, you will love Relieve, and it's free. Millions of runners, cyclists, hikers, skiers, snowboarders using this app to share their activities with 3D video stories. Show what it was like out there, create amazing stories, and share your passion with friends. Just go out, track your activity, take some photos, and enjoy the moment. So that's the app. So then, yeah, you can just open it up, and then, yeah, you can just get started. And then, how to create an account, you can just do it with Apple or whatever, and then just sign in. And then, yeah, from there, then you can just gather your activities. You can allow notifications. There is also a subscription. Then it's $39 per year, but yeah, you can just start like that. You can connect Apple Health later, and then yeah, you can just connect your tracker or just record activity. There are a bunch of activities, I guess. You can invite here. There are some challenges which you can find here. Walk, run, marathon, you can just join, and all these communities where you can just join people for a hike, run, and all of these things, and then you just have your profile. So yeah, that's the idea. That's basically how you can track different activities. So this app is not like where there are like hiking trails already. So it's mostly about challenges and about just recording challenges yourself, just recording your run, recording your walk and stuff like that. And then yeah, you can just search and send invite with friends. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So yeah. You can set personal goals, you can discover all the different challenges and all of that. I actually used the app, I looked like called All Trails or something like that, where you can just already see the trails if you like hiking. I thought it was that, but now this app is more similar to like Strava or something around it, where you just keep a track and then you just add cool photo in the end of your activity. So that's what it is.